Hi everybody, welcome to Crafts with Cowboy. My throat's a little sore today, so pardon that. Today what we're going to build on Crafts with Cowboy is a horseshoe heart. I built a small one for my wife and she wants me to build a big one now, which I would love to build a big one for her. So basically what you're going to do is take 3 little horseshoes. You can get them at Tractor Supply or any kind of feed store or tack store. 3 horseshoes, and basically what you want to do is take 2 of them and start off like this, kind of where they're going to touch the tips right here. Then the third one, you want to see how it kind of bends like this. It's going to go around like this. So I marked it, as you can see, I don't know if you can see very good with pencil, right there and there. I'm going to cut this here and then cut this here, right along that line right there. And then I'll place it back down and then I'll just start welding. So let me get these cut in for the next step. Alright, I got them cut. Very simple. Try to lay it out to where it looks, because it can be different if you do it more like this or this. Depending on how you turn these 2 horseshoes at the top, is how it's going to make your heart. So if you touch them, make it fat, it's not going to look the same. So I try to line up with the board right here just to get a best guesstimate. Right there, try to line up pretty evenly in the middle right here. Then these will hook on like this. That's like that. I see a lot of people do it like this. They also do it like this. So I don't know which way is better. I don't know if that looks better like that, or we flip around and do it like this. I don't know. What do y'all think? What do you think? I don't know. So, you know what? I'm going to stop the video right there. And I know I only have like 300 subscribers, which I'm very proud of. I had 300 subscribers. I do this for a lot of fun. I don't make money off of this. I just like to show people the Crafts with Cowboys, you know, the cruise hacks and everything that I do. I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to see how many opinions I get on this. This would be number 1. The heart number 1 would be like this, or Part number 2 will be like this. And whatever y'all decide, I'll go ahead and finish it. I'll weld it up and I'll spray paint it black or red, probably red, and then we'll see what the final results is. So I'm gonna put this up and y'all start telling me in the comments which way you want this.